Here is week 4 of the challenge. We are at like $200 on the account, and we lost like $290 this week. Our first day we made $68. I traded at the bottom. I bought at the bottom of this bars. Once this bar closed, I bought. Actually, it wasn't once this bar closed. It was once I got the reversal bar down here, because I was looking to buy down in this area since we had a strong bull push up, another strong bull bar, and I felt like that could be a double bottom area. And the reversal bar came in, we took it, and made a quick $68. I missed a bunch of entries on this day, but at least I took a good one. Just got to work on a lot. So our next trade was right here below this bar's low. Doesn't really make much sense. We entered on this red bar that I'm covering right now. See how big that wick is? Well, I don't know why I'd enter below that bar's low. If anything, you could have entered below that next red bar's low, but we wouldn't have got filled, obviously, and I don't think that was a great entry. But we took it, and you got to do with it. We only lost $18 on that trade too. I felt like a better entry could have been up on this green bar, that green reversal bar. Okay, our next trade was right, I'll show you on the 1 minute. It was above this bar's high, but it was after a breakout pullback. It was right here above this green bar's high, which was a strong spike down. And I keep on thinking about this entry, and I don't hate it at all. It was only one position, and I really do like it. The only issue I have with it is not closing on this red bar when that red bar went lower. And you could have entered on that red bar since we had the strong bear push, and then, yeah, a strong red reversal bar, and there's going to be trap bulls in there. Our next entry was really bad. Just got, I don't know why I took this. This was a strong bear push down, and then we had a tiny little reversal bar that was not very good, and we instantly got reversed, and I lost $120 on that trade, but I shouldn't. And it was just, even if I take this trade, if I just manage it properly, I should have closed here and re-entered here, and like 100% re-enter here. Okay, our next trade, we took this one, which I felt was a good trade. It was down here at the bottom. It was a really strong reversal bar. We already had a push back up. It seemed to be a T-range-ish day. And there was bull strength prior to on the day. And this was, I'll show you, down here was already a T-range too. And those are some reasons to buy it. And it was the second reversal bar too. And it was a strong reversal bar. And we did not, well, we took it, and then we just closed right away because I felt like I was going to be an idiot. So, yeah, and we lost $15 on that trade. And I missed a ton of good entries too today. There was one on this bar's low. I was debating entering, and then I just don't because I get scared. And yeah, our next two trades were later in the day. I took a short right here. It was equivalent to that short, which wasn't a bad trade. I just closed at $3, and I don't really know why I closed at $3, but I did. And then I should have been looking for shorts, especially after that strong push. And we took one, and then we just closed right away. And then the next trade, I don't really know why I was buying here, but I bought above this bar's high. Doesn't make sense to buy here on the 5 minutes, so I don't know why I bought there on the 1 minute. I just need to be more patient. I'm sure I just got in the market at like 10:58, and I was just ready to take a trade, so I took a couple. And that lost me $50 total. Okay. Next day trading, we did not trade on this day. This day we did trade. Our first entry was a buy. Don't know why I'm buying. Well, I do know why, because it was a big gap up, but there was really no bull bar to buy on. And that's an issue I've been having, is you gotta wait for the actual bull bar on the 5 minute to appear too. You can't just be buying because you feel like it. And I'll see if this was even a good entry or not. It was, let me get over here. Yeah, I was looking to buy below these bars lows. And then I got one after a breakout, and look at the bar I bought below. I know it's at the bottom of the range, but it's just, why? And we lost $31 on that trade. And then we missed this entire spike because who knows? There's a ton of good entries. And then I took a trade right here below this bar's low finally, and made $39 on it. It was equivalent to right here on this bar. And I closed quickly because I felt there was a bottom here that I felt we could have a reaction from, and it was up. I don't like that trade at all. I need to get up higher in the spike if I'm gonna trade. Like, I got down on like the third huge bar. Why do I keep doing that? Hi, this is Sophia from McCann. Scammer. Alright. So, our next position, our next day, we lost, or we made $2 on that day. The next day we lost $99, which was yesterday. And it just it honestly wasn't a bad day. With the managing part, I felt good managing. I just need to keep on working on getting better entries here. Our short was right here below this bar's low, which honestly wasn't the worst trade I've ever taken because we were bearish coming into it. We really were bearish. We had this little top here, this channel, and I felt like we overshot the channel, and then I was taking a reversal back. It did go in my favor for a little bit, but not for that long. And we only lost $9 on that trade, which it wasn't bad. Our next entry was, this was bad. Why would I buy here after this wick? And I bought here on this bar, and it's one thing if the 1 minute looked really good, but that's the 1 minute bar I bought on, and I just need to be more patient there and trust yourself. And also, I lost $138 on that trade. How do I lose $138? Oh, it was actually a huge wick. I remember that, but still, my stop was down here, and why not just get out like right there? Because the trade obviously wasn't going in your favor at that point. This trade's gonna go if it's gonna go, I feel like. And then our next trade was a buy. Yes, a buy at this bar's low. I bought as like this bar was forming. We had this bottom here. We had a breakout, and I felt like we were in a range, and this was at the bottom of the range, and I was proven correct. Didn't trade the rest of the day, and missed one really good entry in the 1 minute that I'm not gonna show you guys because I don't have it up here. But just gonna keep on working on trading and trying to work on the psychology part of it a ton right now. That's what I think I'm struggling with, is having the confidence to take the trades that I see, because the sims are going well, and they have been, and there's just got to be something that I can do to turn those sims into real profits, and it has to be the mental side, and that's what I've been working on recently, and we'll see if we can turn this around. I'm gonna keep on learning, and I'll see you guys next week. Have a great weekend. Goodbye.